Do you know you don't need the pure knowledge to become a graphic designer? Yes, you don't need the pure knowledge. You can see all this design. You can design as many as you can see it without being a graphic designer. Okay, you just need to follow the simple step I'm going to be showing you in my tutorial. Okay, make sure you go to my channel now and watch it. Client can pay you for this. Okay, you just need to get a prompt that I've prepared for you and you paste it, and boom, your graphics is ready. So go to ChatGPT, just go to your browser, type ChatGPT, open AI, register. Make sure you sign in, log in. Okay, make sure you log in. All right. So now this ChatGPT, okay, I use it for a lot of things, as you can see. All right. So you want to create prompt. Okay, you need to create prompt, and you don't need serious knowledge about it. Just follow the simple step I'm going to show you. I have some template prompt, okay, that I'll be sharing with you. Okay, you have to join, okay, the WhatsApp group link I will put inside this video. You have to join the WhatsApp group, check our group. That is where I'll be posting those prompts and necessary app in case you need those apps. So you have to create prompts, and you have to create your own personal prompt. Maybe, okay, let me, as a designer, you have seen the design, you love the design, or you have a design, okay, attached to your memory, and you want to create something, but you don't know how to design. Okay, so I'm going to write it in Word for Chat GPT. And what we are going to do is that we are not going to tell Chat GPT to create this thing, to recreate what we have written out in a well detailed oriented pattern. Okay, so okay, let me go to my file. Okay, where I save some prompts. Let me go to my file where I save some prompts. Okay, where's my notepad? Okay, I save some prompts here. All right, I save some prompts here. Okay. Okay. Now these are the prompts. These are the prompts I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay. Whenever I see prompts, I always put them down here. All right. Let me show you prompts. Okay, of those flyers that I'm using. Let me just copy this. So I have copied the prompt now. Let me just paste the prompt here. All right, so I've copied the prompt. Okay, let's see the prompt together. Create a promotional flyer design for your Facebook ad training course. I want to show you how I did that training course. The team should be modern and professional. Just follow this template, okay? Just follow this template. If you know how to create prompt templates, no problem. Okay, but if you don't know, you're just learning. Follow this. Just edit whatever you need to edit inside. Okay, I put those things I want inside the flyer. I put it there. So, and I gave a response that it should create this thing. I'm not sure of what I have written down, so I have to tell ChatGPT to recreate this thing. Okay, that's why I created this prompt again. Follow this my prompt. Act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt in a better way. You can even tell ChatGPT to create a prompt idea for a design you want to create. Another interesting part, you can use a design. If you have a design flyer, okay, you can use those design. Can you see? You can use those design flyer. Okay, I want me to sign in Microsoft. I'm not signing in Microsoft. Sorry. Okay. All right. Now, okay, let's continue. So I've told ChatGPT to follow this my prompt as a prompt engineer and optimize it for me. Let's scatter this thing. Okay, let me repaste it. Sorry. Let me see again. All right, this is it. This is it. This is the prompt. Oh, I'll paste the prompt for you. Make sure you join those group. Put the link. Follow this prompt as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt in a better way for me to get my result. This is what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do. After you have created your own desired prompt, let's see how ChatGPT will construct this. Okay, he has been consulted. Okay, design a modern promotional flyer for a Facebook ad, blah blah blah. Layout and content based on what you have given out as instruction. This is the perfect way ChatGPT can put it. So you can follow this one and be editing and be creating a lot of things you want to create. All right. Okay. So let's just copy this because of our time. Let's copy. Copy. Okay. So I'm going to paste it back. I'm going to edit unnecessary things. Let's see. You can copy this. Okay, let's delete this. Let's delete this. Use modal space, just leave it the way it is. Anything unnecessary things you can delete. For my inquiries, this is that's my number. I think we are good to go now. We are good to go. Okay, let's look at the upper. Okay, yes, and optimize, delete it. We don't need it. Okay, yes, we don't need this. So, all right. So now I think we are good to go now. Okay, just press go. Let's see the result. Let's see the results. Can you see? ChatGPT will surely create that flyer for you. This is magical. You can create two for you, can create one for you. This is magical. Okay. Let's see the result of what you are going to get. This is magical. As you can see, this is the result. Hey, I reloaded. Hey. Now this is the result. All right. So after we have generated our results, okay, I want us to edit some of this thing. You can edit it to any pattern you want. All right, let me change it to, okay, I want to change it to a British lady. British lady wearing, I don't want it to wear glass. Wearing, wearing white face cap. Okay, what should we change again? Okay, so that's okay. Let's see the result for this. Okay, let's see the result. Let's see the result. You can do the same to get everything you want in as a design. Okay, so don't forget you need prompts. If you know how to generate prompts, good. If you don't know, just follow the template of prompt I'm going to drop. Make sure you join the group. I will show you prompts that you can use. Okay, that you can consistently use, and you can make use of it. You can see different design. Okay, you can see different design I have done. All right, I will also show you prompts to use to generate this food. All right, you can design in so many ways. You can design thumbnail, birthday, a lot of things. Just follow that pattern of prompt. If you follow that pattern of prompt, surely you can design anything designable. All right, so you allow it to load. Let me see, you can be checking here that library. It will load faster in the library section. Let me pause. Okay, still loading. Let's check here. It has not added. It's still loading up. All right, so I've checked my library here. It has loaded from the library, but this is still loading here, so you can check your library. Okay, you can check your library. This is it. This is it from our library. So all right, as it is from the library section, this is it. This is it. Okay, this is what we change. The lady, I want white cap. Can you see? That is the only thing we change. Okay, you can quickly download from this button. All right, so that is how you can change it. You can click and make a lot of design, all right, by editing the template I will drop inside the group. Always check the group. Okay, just loaded. All right, so now can I show you another? Okay, the way I generated that food. So I designed a food promotional banner with the following background, blah blah blah. So let's just write, let's just instruct ChatGPT to create something from it. Okay, let's just instruct. Okay, now how do we do it? Clean look. Okay, just enter. So follow this prompt. Follow this prompt. At follow this prompt. Okay, act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt in a better way for me to get my results. Okay, that's it. Send it. Let's send this. Let's see. All right, it has been optimized. Okay, let's just copy and remove unnecessary things. Let's copy and remove unnecessary things. Okay, now let's copy it. Let's copy it. Just the same process. Paste it. Would you like me to generate a simple sample of the fire for you now? You can even say yes. Okay, you can say yes, but we want to remove some things. Let's see, generate design node. Use screen. Okay, okay, okay. Just check if there's anything you want to change. Okay, type of customer. Let's just remove it. And let's correct the customer. Customer, just customer. Okay, all right. Let's delete all this one. Delete all this. Delete. All right. So let's see the result. Let's see the result. So after this, I don't want this video to be long. Let's pause and see the result. You can create more, blah blah. Wait 22 hours for 7 minutes. If you can, if you cannot wait, create another chat GPT with another email very fast. So this is the result. This is the result of what we generated. Let me show you. Okay, this is the result. It's the one that gave us this result. Yeah, this is the result we got. You can change it, you can do anything. So you can design very easy with this prompt. Okay, so guys, if this thing have such an issue, okay, don't forget to subscribe. When subscribe, I'll be showing you how you can design some church flyer, a lot of flyers with this format.